Yesterday I created a video about how in video has now got AI, where all you have to do is just put a little bit of a prompt in there and it will not only write the script but also create the video for you in around about 5 minutes. And there's very little, if any, editing that needs to be done. It is spectacular. Even the voiceover is way better than anything you'll get from Pictory. Now, I love Pictory, don't get me wrong, but the voiceovers leave a little bit to be desired. However, with this particular one, the voiceover is spectacular, and that's what you're going to be looking at today. Hey guys, I'm Henry and I'm from Product Creation Formula. And here at Product Creation Formula, we love to give you tips and tricks to be able to help you create your products quickly and easily. Along with that, we also do product reviews as well as tips on how to make money online. So if that's the sort of thing that interests you, how about you smash the like button as well as subscribe and also hit the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Alright guys, let's go check it out.
Have you ever wondered how to make money online using AI content creation tools? Well, get ready to have your mind blown. Artificial intelligence has been shaking up the online world, and one area where it's making waves is content creation. AI content creation tools are essentially digital platforms that use algorithms to craft unique and engaging content, from blog posts to videos and even ebooks. There are a plethora of these tools out there, each with their own unique features. For instance, InVideo AI can help you design captivating video content, while Jarvis excels at crafting compelling written content. The possibilities are vast, and the potential uses even more so. Whether you're looking to launch a YouTube channel, start a blog, or even write an ebook, AI content creation tools can help you achieve your goals in a fraction of the time it would take manually. These tools, when used creatively, can unlock new avenues of income. Intrigued? Let's dive in. Let's dive. So, how exactly do we use these AI tools to create content, I hear you ask? Well, let's break it down. The first step is setting up an account, just like you would with any other online platform. Choose a reputable AI tool that fits your needs. There are several out there, each with their own strengths and specialties. Some are great for writing blog posts, while others excel at creating video scripts or even full-length novels. It's like picking your favorite ice cream flavor. There's something for everyone. Once you've selected your tool of choice, it's time to get acquainted. Most platforms have intuitive interfaces that are easy to navigate. Don't be afraid to explore and experiment, it's the best way to learn. Think of it as a playground where you can let your creativity run wild. Next, you'll need to set the parameters for your content. This is where you tell the AI what you want. Do you need a blog post about the latest fashion trends, or maybe a script for a thrilling sci-fi movie? Whatever it is, be as specific as you can. The more information you provide, the better the AI can generate the content you're looking for. But remember, AI is just a tool. It's like a chef's knife. It can help you prepare a delicious meal, but it won't cook it for you. You need to guide the AI, tweak its output, and inject your own creativity into the mix. This is what makes your content unique and valuable. Finally, it's time to hit that generate button and let the AI do its magic. Depending on the length and complexity of your request, it might take a few minutes or even a couple of hours. But trust me, it's worth the wait. Once the AI has done its job, you'll have a piece of content that's ready to be polished and published. And voila! That's how you use AI tools to create content. It's not rocket science, but it does require a bit of patience and a dash of creativity. With the right setup and parameters, these tools can create high-quality content in no time. Ever thought of writing an ebook but don't have the time or the writing skills? AI tools come to the rescue. Imagine having a machine that could take your ideas and transform them into a well-written, polished ebook without you having to lift a finger. It sounds like something out of a science fiction movie, doesn't it? Well, welcome to the future, because AI tools can do exactly that. Here's how it works. First, you need to select a topic for your ebook. This is a crucial step because the topic you choose will determine the success of your ebook. Once you've got your topic, you input it into the AI tool. The AI then scours the internet, gathering information related to your topic. It's like having a super efficient research assistant at your disposal, one that never sleeps or takes a coffee break. Now comes the exciting part: content generation. The AI tool takes the information it has collected and uses it to generate the content for your ebook. It structures the content, ensures it flows smoothly, and even checks for grammar and spelling errors. You might be thinking, but won't the content sound robotic? The answer is no. Over the years, AI has evolved to a point where it can mimic human writing styles quite convincingly. Once the content is generated, you can format it to your liking. Choose the font, the layout, the design, all of it. the AI tool gives you complete control over how your ebook looks. It's like being a painter, but instead of a canvas, you have a blank ebook template. The best part about this whole process is that you can create multiple ebooks in a fraction of the time it would take to write one manually. This means you could potentially have several streams of passive income. Creating an ebook using AI tools is not just about saving time or effort. It's about leveraging technology to create something of value, something that can benefit others. Whether you're sharing your expertise or telling a story, AI tools can help you do it more efficiently and effectively. And just like that, you've got an ebook ready to hit the market. What about video content? Can AI help with that too? Absolutely. Now let's delve into the world of AI-powered video creation. In our digital age, video is king. From online courses to YouTube videos, the demand for high-quality, engaging video content is at an all-time high. But creating videos can be time-consuming and technically challenging. That's where AI steps in. Imagine a tool that can take your script and turn it into a captivating video. That's exactly what 𝗬𝗂𝗂𝗧𝘂𝗂𝗂𝗧 does. This ingenious tool uses artificial intelligence to streamline and automate the video creation process. Here's how it works. First, you feed your script into 𝗬𝗂𝗂𝗧𝘂𝗂𝗧. The tool then uses its intelligent algorithms to analyze your script and determine the most appropriate visuals to accompany your words. Whether it's stunning stock footage, sleek animations, or dynamic text overlays, 𝗬𝗂𝗂𝗧𝘂𝗂𝗧 has got you covered. But the magic doesn't stop there. 𝗬𝗂𝗂𝗧𝘂𝗂𝗧 also takes care of the video editing. That's right, no more fumbling around with complex editing software. The AI automatically selects the most suitable transitions, effects, and timings, ensuring your video is polished and professional. And the best part? It's all done in minutes, not hours. This means you can produce more content faster. Imagine creating an entire online course in a day, or launching a YouTube channel in a week. With AI, this isn't just a dream, it's reality. But don't think AI is only for the tech savvy. With its intuitive interface and user-friendly design, 𝗬𝗂𝗂𝗧𝘂𝗂𝗧 is accessible to everyone. Whether you're a seasoned video producer or a complete novice, you can harness the power of AI to create stunning video content. So let's recap. With AI tools like 𝗬𝗂𝗂𝗧𝘂𝗂𝗧, you can automate script analysis, visual selection, and video editing. This allows you to produce more content faster and with less effort. And remember, more content means more opportunities to monetize. With AI, you're not just a content creator, you're a content factory. Now that we have our content, how do we turn it into money? This is the question that's likely been simmering at the back of your mind since we began this journey into the world of AI content creation. And rightly so, because the purpose of all this isn't merely to create, but to profit from our creations. One of the most straightforward ways to monetize AI-generated content is by selling it. Consider the ebooks we've created in Scene 3. These can easily be sold on platforms like Amazon Kindle, Barnes & Noble's Nook, or directly from your website if you have one. The beauty of this is that once your ebook is written and published, it can generate income passively, with minimal ongoing effort from you. Then there's the video content we generated in Scene 4. Think about how it could serve as the backbone of an online course. Platforms like Udemy, Coursera, and Teachable make it simple to host and sell your courses to eager learners around the world. Just like with ebooks, once your course is created, it can continue to bring in revenue without requiring constant attention. And let's not forget about YouTube ad revenue. If you've got engaging AI-generated video content, why not start a YouTube channel? The more views your videos get, the more ad revenue you can earn. But remember, it's not just about the content. Successful YouTubers know that building an engaged audience is key to growing views and maximizing earnings. However, all these methods require one vital ingredient: marketing. Whether it's search engine optimization for your ebook, social media promotion for your online course, or audience engagement for your YouTube channel, effective marketing can significantly boost your earning potential. So there you have it. The world of AI-generated content offers a multitude of ways to monetize your creations. And while it does require some effort and savvy marketing, the rewards can be substantial. With AI-generated content, the earning potential is limited only by your imagination. So, let your imagination run wild and start turning your AI-generated content into cold hard cash. Making money online using AI content creation tools is not just a dream, it's a reality. We've taken a thrilling ride through the world of AI content creation, from understanding how these tools work, to creating ebooks and video content, and finally, monetizing it all. It's clear that AI tools are a game changer. They're transforming the way we create content, making it easier, faster, and much more efficient. They're not just tools for the tech savvy, they're tools for everyone. With AI, you can create ebooks that captivate readers, and videos that engage viewers, all while saving time and resources. These tools are opening up new avenues for making money online. From selling ebooks to offering online courses, they're not just changing the game, they're creating a whole new playing field. And you, yes you, have the opportunity to explore this field and start creating. So, are you ready to start your journey with AI content creation tools and make money online? The world is waiting for your content.
If you got some value out of this video, how about you smash the like button, as well as subscribe and also hit the bell icon, so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Hey, while you're at it, why not consider sharing, and also leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of how InVideo was able to be used to turn into a spectacular video. Alright, just to let you know that right here is a video I believe you might like. Down here is a video YouTube thinks you might like. And right here is an image of my head. Now if you click on that, you'll be able to subscribe. Right guys, thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.